Okay, so we have here a floor plan that came from a different architectural office. And what we'd like to do is in this particular week, week 4, we're going to look at layer translators, layer groups. We'll create a demolition plan and a partition plan. So that will be a new construction. So going back to the drawing, because this came from a different architectural group, their plot style, their architectural style is a little bit different. So what we can do is we can check it out and see, for example, their walls are in the layer EB fur, and maybe this one here is in a different layer as well. So let's see. So that's in an EB shell. So what we're going to do is we're going to make this drawing try to follow our standards. So to do that, you go to the Manage tab and use the Layer Translator option. So this pops up. It gives you the layers of the current drawing, and then it allows you to load your standard. So we can go to our standards, and you can load a DWG, which is a regular drawing, a standards drawing, which you can save later. I'll show you that, or a template. So if you have a template. So let's just open the drawing title block, which has our standards. So from here, we would like to map, as an example, this one here, the EB fur, and I think if I'm not mistaken, there's the EV shell. So hold down the uh, control key, and you'd like to map it to our A01 walls layer. So we'll say map, and there you go. I think it also selected this. My mouse is too fast, so I'm just going to right click and remove that. You can look at the settings, and you can say force the object color to be by layer. So sometimes they override it. Uh, and these are okay, these settings. So we click OK, and we're happy with that. So what we can do is we can save this as a new standard, or we can simply say translate, and it will ask us to translate and likewise save the mapping information, because sometimes we might be getting files from this architectural office. Of course, that will be their standard. And we can simply use the translation that we have done here. So that's why you'd like to choose the save, translate and save mapping information. So we do that. And then it will ask you to save the mapping information. It's coming from this architectural office. So you can say maybe whatever architectural office this is. So let's just say this is from, uh, let's say AE architectural office. Okay. So it's going to save as a standard. And of course, you always would like to put it in your folder. So let me just put it under CAD 1, let's say. And oops, and my mouse is too fast. CAD 1. And I have here a standards folder. So just save it here, and it gets translated. Notice that this here is now color yellow, and it belongs to our A01 walls layer. Okay? So that's how you do translation, right? Using the layer translator.